Welcome to this tutorial on beginner's Etoro Withdrawal, a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your funds from the Etoro platform. To begin with, it is essential to understand that Etoro is a social trading and investment platform that allows users to trade various financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Before you start the withdrawal process, ensure that your account is fully verified, as this is a requirement for withdrawing funds. To verify your account, you will need to provide identification documents, such as a passport or national ID, and proof of address, such as a utility bill. To initiate the withdrawal process, log into your Etoro account and click on the Withdraw Funds tab. You will then be asked to select the payment method you use to deposit funds into your account. Etoro supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfer. Once you have selected your payment method, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Please note that the minimum withdrawal amount is $30, and the maximum amount is the available balance in your account. You will also need to pay a small withdrawal fee, which varies depending on the payment method you use. After entering the withdrawal amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If you are using a credit card, you will need to enter the CVV code to complete the transaction. If you are using a bank transfer, you will need to enter your bank account details. Once you have completed the withdrawal request, Etoro will process the transaction within a few business days. The processing time may vary depending on the payment method you use. For example, credit card withdrawals are typically processed within 1 to 3 business days, while bank transfer withdrawals may take 3 to 8 business days. It is essential to note that Etoro has a withdrawal policy that requires users to withdraw funds using the same payment method they used to deposit. This is a security measure to prevent money laundering and ensure that users are protected. In conclusion, withdrawing funds from Etoro is a straightforward process that requires you to have a verified account, select a payment method, enter the withdrawal amount, and review the transaction details. By following these steps and understanding the withdrawal policy, you can easily withdraw your funds from the Etoro platform. Remember to always check the Etoro website for the latest information on withdrawal fees and processing times.